The new batteries came for the little GoPro cameras, and I kind of got a little bit of a shock when I put them in, because when I pulled this one out of my hat, I realized I actually had a extra battery pack piggybacked on it like that. Uh, so that was two battery packs in this camera on the hat, and it still only lasted 8 minutes. So I'm glad I got the batteries in. There was some information going on in my radio that was hard to hear, but flying the Dragon Link, I was getting a RF signal low and an RF signal critical. And I'm pretty sure that was coming from the Dragon Link and the radio in my hand, because the GoPro failed so quickly on the flight of the Mini Talon. I wasn't too sure, but now I'll have the GoPro going so I can record more things to go over after the flights to figure out things. So there's that all wrapped up with a nice bow. I hope these cameras will record for a couple of hours now.